Jenny Scordamaglia is a television presenter, model, and entrepreneur who is best known for her work with Miami TV. Her unique and charismatic approach to hosting has made her a household name, and her popularity has only continued to grow in recent years. In this blog post, we will explore some little-known facts about Jenny Scordamaglia that you may not be aware of. Early life and career. Jenny Scordamaglia was born on September 16, 1988, in Jersey City, New Jersey. Her parents are both of Italian descent, and she grew up in a bilingual household, speaking both English and Spanish. From a young age, she was interested in performing and dreamed of becoming a television host. After finishing high school, Scordamaglia attended the University of South Florida, where she earned a degree in broadcasting. She then worked as a journalist and presenter for various television stations before starting her own media company, Miami TV. Miami TV. Miami TV is an online television channel that Scordamaglia founded in 2007. The channel features a mix of news, entertainment, and lifestyle programming, and Scordamaglia is often the host of many of its shows. One of the unique features of Miami TV is that it broadcasts live from various locations around Miami, often featuring Scordamaglia in revealing outfits. This has led to some controversy, but Scordamaglia has defended her style, saying that it is a reflection of her personality and that she is not afraid to be herself. Modeling career. In addition to her work with Miami TV, Scordamaglia is also a successful model. She has appeared in various fashion shows and magazines, and has even launched her own swimwear line. Scordamaglia's modeling career has not been without controversy, however. In 2014, she was featured in a photoshoot for a Spanish magazine that showed her breastfeeding a piglet. The photos sparked outrage from animal rights activists, but Scordamaglia defended the shoot, saying that it was meant to promote the importance of breastfeeding. Personal life. Scordamaglia is notoriously private when it comes to her personal life, but there are a few facts that are known about her. She married her husband, Enrique Benzoni, in 2014, and the couple has 2 children together. Scordamaglia is also a fitness enthusiast and is known for her dedication to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. She often shares workout tips and healthy recipes with her followers on social media. Philanthropy. In addition to her work in the media and fashion industries, Scordamaglia is also dedicated to giving back to her community. She is a supporter of various charities and has been involved in initiatives to help those affected by natural disasters, such as Hurricane Irma. Scordamaglia has also been a vocal advocate for mental health awareness, speaking out about her own struggles with anxiety and depression. She has encouraged others to seek help when needed and has promoted the importance of self-care and mental wellness. Conclusion. Jenny Scordamaglia is a multifaceted personality who has made a name for herself in the media, fashion, and philanthropic industries. While she may be controversial at times, her unique style and dedication to her work have earned her a loyal following. Hopefully, this blog post has provided some new insights into the life and career of Jenny Scordamaglia, and has shed some light on the lesser-known facts about this fascinating personality.